I pranked McDonald's with Selena Gomez's voice and they made my order for free.
It asks Selena Gomez, I will send you my address.